Creating an interactive gift guide for your mobile store is one of the most effective ways to boost engagement before a special day. It transforms the shopping experience from a search task into a personalized journey, helping your customers find exactly what they need while driving higher conversion rates. Today, we're building a Valentine's Day gift guide using Storyly's Story widget. You can launch this as a standalone story group or create a flow combined with a banner. Either way, the goal is simple. Ask a few questions and serve up the perfect gift based on their answers. Let's get started. First, head to the left menu, select Story Bar and click Create New Content. From here, we'll select Create from Scratch. Upload your cover image and give your story group a clear name. In the very first story, let your shoppers know they're about to take a quick quiz to find the best gift. You can upload your own media or design it right here in the studio. Next, we'll build the question stories. For this guide, I'm asking shoppers about their partner's happy place, their personal style, and a budget range. Feel free to customize these to match your brand voice and products. To keep things interactive, use the poll, quiz, and image quiz stickers. I'll use a different one for each question to keep the experience fresh. Once the questions are set, it's time to suggest the gifts. Since I asked 3 questions with 2 options each, that creates 8 possible combinations. You'll need to prepare a gift suggestion scenario for each one. To add a bit of delight, I've created a persona for every outcome, like the Zen Aesthetic or the luxury lounger. For each persona, I'm adding product cards so shoppers can add items to cart instantly. You can also use immersive videos with product tags or catalogs to make it even more engaging. Now for the magic, visibility conditions. This is what ensures the right person sees the right gift. Before we dive in, here's a pro tip. Storyly usually gives every story the same group name. To stay organized, rename each story internally based on the question or persona. This will make setting your logic much easier. Now go to the right pane and select the Visibility tab. For our first persona, the Zen Aesthetic, I'll set the conditions so it only appears to viewers who chose cozying up at home, refined style, and under $50. Important! Make sure to tie these conditions together with and instead of or. This ensures the shopper only sees the gift that matches all their answers. Repeat this for your remaining scenarios and you're done. And there you have it, a fully interactive, personalized gift guide. This approach reduces decision fatigue for your customers and makes your brand feel like a personal shopping assistant. It's high touch, high impact, and incredibly easy to build. Start creating an interactive gift guide for your shoppers today.